All right, today we're gonna bring actually a water dam, and this is perfect if you have leakage and you want to maintain the water in one area. It's perfectly set up for that. They give you adhesive, removal of actually to set up the adhesive on the corners, and then the removal of the actual existing caulk that you have in there, and then actually a blade and some wipies to wipe it out. So, and then actually to make sure that the glue stays fixed. All right, so they give you all this. The actual silicone comes with a double adhesive, so you know, if you don't want to completely glue it down, you could actually use the double-sided, and it carries a couple pounds, so it could hold a lot of water in. So we're gonna test it out, see how it works. So let's go ahead and do that. So this is what happens. My plants are actually leaking down, which I want to contain the water in one end. So we're going to go ahead and set it up here. So making sure that the water is not going to leak. It's leaking the water from here after it feeds them. So let's go ahead and put this to the use. All right, let's see if it leaked. Here's all the water here. It's dry. It's all the way around. It's all dry, but it's wet in there. So that's not bad. It's actually working, doing a great job. So overall, the system's working very well. None of the water is leaking. It's staying within itself. This is what I wanted. Make sure that the water goes up instead of forward. So we're going to continue monitoring. And like I said, you can always add more adhesive. If you see more leakage, just make sure that you add the adhesive. And it's be a permanent area. So easy to remove too also. That's why they give you the tools. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.